In this video, we will learn about how magnets work. There is a continuous influence of celestial magnetism on lower and higher forms of life. Human body is also affected by natural magnetism. It also acts as a magnet unit. Every cell works as a magnet unit. Every cell works as a micromagnet. So different organs have different powers of magnetic field depending on their biological activity. Magnetic dowsing or radiesthesia is the study of disease, where distant diagnosis is important. It is becoming popular all over the world. It is based on the principle that magnetic emanations from our body concentrate on the little pendulum used in magnetic dowsing. The pendulum thus utilizes the subtle variations in the altered magnetic emanation of different organs and tells you about any morbidity in any organ. For health, there should be harmony between the different groups of cells in the body. Geomagnetic activity has definite control over this harmony. Heart attacks occur when there is fluctuation in terrestrial magnetism. Increased solar activity, as shown by sunspots or sunstorms or solar flares, increase solar magnetic field, producing increased violent behavior in the man and animals. Sudden geomagnetic disturbances cause increased effect on the biomagnetism potentials of all living beings. This leads to increased cardiovascular diseases in man and increased neuropsychic disorders. There is increased incidence of various types of epileptic attacks also during solar storms. This is an example of its toxic pathogenic effect on all organisms. Heart attack occurs when the Earth's magnetic field increases by 3 to 4 times and the pulsating fields react the human heart of brain and trigger heart attacks and mental symptoms. The permanent magnet now made have stabilizing effect on human organism. They bring about harmony and equilibrium in the biomagnetic potential in the various organs of the body. This explains the soothing effect of magnet in mental diseases. All human tissues, brain, heart, kidney, skin, lungs, gastrointestinal and genitourinary tracts have a 24-hour biorhythm during which thousands of biochemical reactions occur in a predetermined manner and provide proper energy to that organism. In disease, the biorhythm of various organs is disturbed. This is particularly so in cancer. Magnet therapy is to restore this to the normal biomagnetic rhythm and potential. Blood is the most important medium of magnetic therapy. Magnet influences the conductivity and the other properties of blood, including separation of RBCs, which are greatly influenced because of iron in hemoglobin. The increased circulation in various organs produces enhanced metabolic activity and quick disposal of waste. Improved circulation leads to quick all-round healing. Magnetotherapy, increased wound healing, promotes